One of the coolest features in Animation Studio is the library of pre-built templates that are already created and completely ready to go for you. Now, in most cases, you're not going to want to use these templates exactly as they are. Obviously, your average user, anybody that has access to Animation Studio, can end up creating these exact same template videos. So the point is not to use them as they come in Animation Studio, but with a little bit of customization, you can use these and save yourself a ton of work. So there are some extra packages like the Deluxe feature that has more of these templates available. You can see on my screen here, not most of them, it's less than half, but there are a decent number of these templates that are just for the Deluxe feature. And so you'll simply have more access to those if you have the Deluxe version. If you don't, you still have access to quite a few of them in a wide variety of different niches. So the whole point of this template system, you start up top here where it says animated stories, looks like a little movie reel. You click on this to reach the page that you see here on my screen. If you know what you're looking for, you can search for these stories. Otherwise, you can just simply scroll down this screen to look for something that seems like it might be what you want. So just for an example, I'll choose this dog trainer template. Now, sometimes these templates, depending on how large they are, some of them can take a minute or so to actually load up. So if you end up sitting on the waiting screen for a minute or so, just, try to be patient. It will load up for you. There are at least a couple of the templates that are very large and complicated. And even on my computer, which is pretty fast, I've seen one or two of them take a minute or two to load. This dog trainer one loads fairly quickly, even though it is a pretty complex 4-scene video. But with these videos, you're basically getting elements from the graphics and the backgrounds and even text that have been prearranged for you, and they've even put a voiceover along with these videos. But these are not just text to speech voiceovers, these are actually professional voiceovers by one of the people that's involved in the creation of Animation Studio, Todd Gross. You have probably heard his voice.
Is your dog driving you crazy? Well, stop the madness now. A properly trained dog is a happy dog, and that makes for a happy owner.
So, when you load up one of these templates, the first thing that I recommend that you do is to simply watch it. Go through each of the scenes and watch them from start to finish. See what this entire template is already trying to do. It can be really great for getting ideas as far as ways to make certain animations, but ultimately, what you're trying to find is kind of the backbone of something else that you might want to create. Now, I'm going to have a separate lesson in this training series on customizing these templates. So if you want to learn more about taking one of these templates and ripping it apart so you can use the bits and pieces of it that you want to save yourself a ton of time assembling these different graphics and coming up with some creative animations using them, definitely take a look at that separate training video. For now, just simply keep in mind that whenever you load up a template, you're getting these preloaded scenes. And within each of those scenes, you have preloaded objects that are already animated and have transitions and even have a voiceover to go along with them. Most of these templates are designed for some kind of a business in most cases, a brick and mortar business, maybe an online business, or a mixture of the two. So, as they are, these templates will be most useful for people that are making videos for various clients that have their own business. However, being one of my customers, there's a pretty good chance that you want to use Animation Studio as an Amazon affiliate, and you probably have zero interest in using it to make videos for clients. That's quite okay. You can adjust Animation Studio to use it for any purpose. So this dog training video, for example, I could use this to help to sell a wide variety of different products that are related to dog training, because I don't have to use the whole video. I don't have to use the pre-built voiceover that is geared towards a dog trainer business, essentially. I can take the bits and pieces of it that I like, the things that would apply to what I want to do. Maybe I want to sell some kind of at-home dog training. Maybe I want to sell some kind of product that helps with dog training. Maybe it's some kind of a bark collar or a special leash or certain kinds of treats, or there could be a wide variety of different things that might be purchased to help with dog training. So that's really more the perspective that you should be looking at these templates from, is how can I take bits and pieces of them, modify them, turn them into things that I could use to help promote Amazon products instead of what they are traditionally used for. If you are looking to build videos for clients that run these types of businesses, by all means, use the templates more as they are intended to do. But for any other purpose, try to get creative with them. Look for the parts that you like, pull them out, and utilize those pieces for the full videos that you're looking to create. So these are basically time savers. So you don't have to do all of these animations and object assemblies to achieve certain looks.